Duck yeah. There's method in my madness. And apart from the honest fact that I'm a natural-born potty mouth, I've lost count of the number of times I've had to quickly and loudly say, duck it, around my friends' children in an attempt to make up for my verbal transgressions. There is nothing like the tool of cussing in order to shock the system into alertness. Apart from my personal style of keeping things conversational, upbeat, and engaging, the odd fuck, shit, or such like operates as an excellent mechanism, like a gear shift, creating a momentary beat where the comfortable gears of your observation and assessment are retuned to the change of surface you are beginning to travel on. So while I'm not attempting to be a shockaholic, this book is deliberately getting you to loosen up your grip on those comfy, cozy bits of your environment that need mental and energetic revisiting. Our centuries of moral and religious training, neither without value, naturally result in an ingrained bristling on the back of our psyches upon hearing these little exclamations, which not only keeps one from drowsing off and dribbling on the open pages of this book, thus crinkling the paper and ruining this carefully thought out and magnificently presented packaging, or if you're using a Kindle or something like that, spattering your screen with an unhygienic drizzle, but hopefully helps you to also revisit all kinds of personal concepts about language, thus opening a door to different thought processes, which leads to different energy movements, which again leads hopefully to the kinds of manifestations you've dreamed of, or at least a damn clean apartment. As you can see, apart from my poopy mouth, I'm addicted to very long sentences with a great variety of appropriate punctuation marks, and some deliberately inappropriate too, which is not just about method, but also a lot about how I think and speak. So, if long sentences and lots of punctuation irritate the hell out of you, rewind to the prologue and follow the aforementioned instructions. Or hopefully, just stay with me, babies, because we got some cleaning and stirring and shifting and stuff to do. And some fun adventures along the way.